and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are just going to decorate a glass. My son is turning 21. Well, my third son is turning 21 on Valentine's Day, so I decided to make him a glass. And I've been really slacking with my videos lately, so I figured that we could just do this together, even though I've done decorative glasses before. So before we get into the video, I am so sorry. I look like crap. My hair is a mess. It's so dry right now, but I am extremely sick. But I didn't want to leave you guys hanging anymore. I only put one video up last week and I just felt so bad. So I'm here. I am here. I'm pushing through. So yeah, before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I will be posting updates and things like that, videos that the comments are not on for. You can comment on the video through my Instagram. I've been getting questions and comments from people in my DMs, so I do appreciate the communication with me still, even though sometimes, depending on what the video is and depending on how I have to classify it, you may or may not have comments here on YouTube. So let's get into this video, guys. Okay, I don't know what was wrong with me in the beginning of this video, but like I said, I'm extremely sick, so I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can, because I want to do another video today for Thursday, so you'll be seeing me wear the same thing. So what we have here is our glass, our little wine glass. I'm going to decorate this. It's not clean on the inside because when I bought it, I left it down and it was still wrapped up and everything. So we're going to get into cleaning this once I get the vinyl on. I'm just using a glossy vinyl. I have the words finally 21 here, and then it says turn up. So I'm going to have finally 21 on one side and turn up on the other side. And then I have these little champagne glasses in silver that I'm going to be putting on either side. So I may not do any talking for this part, which is why I'm explaining everything to you right now. And also I have some more of this transfer paper if you guys don't know what this is. You could check out some of my other videos. If this is my first video you're watching, I do have other videos that show you how to decorate glasses, and it goes over using the transfer paper and everything. But we're about to decorate this glass right now, so let's do it. So I put this blue towel in here so you guys can see it a little better. Hopefully you can see that in the reflection of my light. So we have the silver champagne glasses here, and it says turned up. I made the up a little bit off-centered and crooked, and then on the other side, the first side that we did, it says finally 21, and I wanted this to be crooked like this. If you guys are wondering, that's exactly how I wanted it. In no way, shape, or form am I promoting alcoholism. He could put juice in here for all he wants to. I just thought this would be really cute to give to him since he's turning 21. So that is the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram and my other social media. All of those links are in the description. If you have any questions about the tutorial today, in the beginning I put a little snippet of the font selection, how I choose my fonts using my Silhouette program, and how I cut. I have shown those before, but I just felt like I would put it in the beginning of this video for those of you who have not watched any of my other Silhouette videos. So like I said, I will be doing another video in this shirt and this jacket, so don't hate on me, guys. If in fact this video does have comments turned off, just go ahead onto my Instagram and comment under the picture for this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.